You got a kick freezer that won't come on. Yeah, I think I see the problem. This is why I check contactors on a cadence so we don't end up with this. It's really loud inside, so I gave up trying to film in there. You can see completely lost. And then these were the main lines running in. You can see how burnt they are. When they crunch, they literally crack. So I had to cut all this back to find fresh wire to run into the box. So I put new terminal ends, new connections, new contactor. Haven't turned it on yet. I was cleaning up my mess, taking it out of here, but that is one for the Hall of Shame for sure. Boom. Oh, it's on a delay. Okay, that makes me happier. When this light goes solid, if it's gonna kick in, it'll kick in. Stand by. I turn the switch off. This is ready. Oh. There you have it, folks.